Hi, my name's Janet Hesselberth, and today I'm going to teach you how to do home canning for pickled vegetables and relishes. And I've done home canning, gosh, all my life. My mother tells of putting me in the high chair with a jar of tomatoes. But I've expanded beyond tomatoes, and I do a variety of apple sauces, tomato sauces, pickles and jams, and I'd like to show you how fun and easy this can be. I'm going to be stepping through a recipe that my family has always called Dilly Green Beans. It's actually very similar to a recipe that's found in a lot of cookbooks. And this is not a fermented pickle, it's just a vinegar-style pickle, so it's very quick and easy. I'll be talking you through the different steps that are involved in canning. I'm going to start out with a little bit of food safety and general canning technique, just to get us grounded. And then I will show you the different ingredients we're going to use today, the equipment that we need, the preparation, what do we have to do to get ready, and then the actual canning process itself. Then finally, are we done yet? Do we get to take the stuff out of the canner? Yes, we do. And I'll show you how to properly store that for future use. So I hope that you enjoy this as much as I do. I'd like to really share how fun and easy home canning can be.